This weekend, Saturday 24th and Sunday 25th of November, due to planning works and cross-road engineering works, services will be suspended between Canning Town and Picton and between Shackwell and Back. Pleasant buses will operate. Train services will operate Tower Gateway to Lewisham, Stratford to Canary Wharf, Tower Gateway to Charleston, and Stratford International to Canning Town. We apologise for any